Now let us try to understand how axon potential is generated. Gradient potential are those potential differences which are created but they are of small magnitude, so they are reset to the resting potential of the plasma membrane by the action of sodium potassium pump. Resting potential of the plasma membrane is minus 70 millivolt. So that means that inside of the membrane, inside of the plasma membrane is 70 millivolt less positive as compared to the outside. When there is stimulus because of which this potential difference it gets altered, sodium potassium pump resets it, and those small changes are called as gradient potentials. But something different happens if the sum total of all potential differences which are taken up by different dendrites present on the same cell body, and the sum of these potential differences at the axon hillock is up to minus 55 millivolt, then the axon gets fired. We should remember that receptors are present in plasma membrane and gradient potential and resting potential exist in all different types of cells. Whereas axon potential, it occurs only in the nerve cells or only in the neurons. What happens that if the potential difference it exceeds or it is equal to minus 55 millivolt, then the neuron or the axon it gets stimulated. So that means this is the minimum potential which is required. That is why it is called as threshold potential. So what is threshold potential? Threshold potential means that potential at which the neuron gets excited or stimulated or it gets fired. Now when this stimulus happens, then something different happens in the nerve cells. At threshold potential, the sodium channels they open up, and because of that there is a lot of influx of sodium ion towards the inner side. That means that as the potential difference it increases to minus 55 millivolt, then the sodium channels will open and a lot of sodium ion they are taken in. Remember, sodium ions are positively charged. So what will happen? Because of that, the plasma membrane it will get depolarized. Because we have already studied that when positive ions they move toward the inner side of the plasma membrane, then the membrane gets depolarized. And this depolarization of a membrane, it generates the nerve impulse. This process is repeated to the nearer channel. That means if one channel is getting open, then the next channel which is close to it or in the proximity to it, that also opens up, and then sodium starts coming in from there. Because of this, the potential will increase, but it doesn't increase beyond plus 30 millivolt. So that means plus 30 millivolt is the potential which is the maximum which can happen in the axon, and this potential is called as action potential.